Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I wanted to do another installment on my Pat McGrath series, and I'm gonna do something really cool. So I'm wearing this shirt and it's gonna be not inspired by this shirt, but I am wearing this shirt. I want to create something with a lot of color, and I wanted something that's a little different. So I may stay away from like your traditional conventional way of applying eyeshadow, and I'm gonna actually not start out with a lot of mattes first. I'm gonna start out with a lot of shimmers and then go from there. It's gonna be like makeup but in reverse, and I think it'll be kind of interesting because I tried it on the back of my hand, like I was playing with it, and it looked really good. So let's hope that it does the same for the eyes. So let me zoom you guys in and we'll get it started. So I'm applying the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. And next I'm gonna grab the iconic, like the product that brought Bobbi Brown to its gigantic, colossal size in the cosmetic industry, the pubic hair brush. And I'm gonna use the Skin Show Divine Glow all over to kind of serve as a base so everything blends nice and easy. If you want something to blend haphazardly and like totally random, this is the brush to go with. Okay, and then now I'm gonna use, this is where the fun starts. Are you ready? So now I'm gonna use Blitz Flame, and I'm gonna start, I'm gonna use it on the crease, and I'm gonna use it on the inner crease, and I'm just gonna start using it to contour the eye, basically. And if you can see, that's starting to get a lot of color. Lately, these reds have been really popular, like everywhere. Everybody has a red now. You know, like a reddish golden tone in their palette. And it's a fun color to use because like for the longest time, I don't know if you guys know, but people have been discouraged of wearing these type of shades on their eyes because they thought that it caused a lot of irritation. So there is something new going on where, you know, they're using pigments that actually don't irritate the eye, and you can actually pack this on and not get milia or an itchy eye from applying it. And I'm gonna use a smaller brush and just go to the V and under my eye. Okay, now that the pink is there, I'm gonna, or reddish pink, whatever this color is, I'm gonna use VR Fire Opal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna apply it on my eye with my finger and create like this super shimmery, glittery base, and then I'm gonna apply Extreme Aubergine on top of it, and hopefully something really cool happens. So we'll see. So VR Fire Opal is the pinkish glitter in the palette. There you go. And then what I want to try to do is actually use a smaller brush and work Extreme Aubergine on top of it and see if it creates any kind of like cool effects. Okay, so it's kind of happening. I think I might have to put more glitter on top of it, but it's doing what I want it to do. So you can see it turns into a lighter purple once it touches the glitter, which is super interesting. So I'm gonna play with that a little bit more. Okay, do you see how amazing this is? Like, when you first put VR Fire Opal, it looks like a rose gold, you know, it has like a lot of yellow tones. But as soon as I lay down Extreme Aubergine, it turns into this really cool purple tone. And I found this out, like, I don't even think Pat knew this, like, that's how amazing I am. I'm gonna define the crease a little bit more, make it more dramatic. Okay, we're gonna bring this to the bottom as well. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is actually put a little bit more VR Fire Opal and see if I can bank on that glitter a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Yep, and we were successful. Awesome, I'm gonna put some liner, mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the look. Alright, I'm gonna zoom out and give you some final thoughts. Alright, so this concludes the video for today. I think this is part 7. I didn't mention which part it was in the beginning of the video, I don't think. But I can't believe I already did 7 looks with this one palette, and every single look is different, and I use a different combination and it looks completely different, like it could have been another palette that I used. But I'm super happy with this look. It came out a lot better than I thought. I did add a little bit more of Blitz Flame, like on the inner part of the crease, just to add more color. And I love how the purple just jumps out and then it turns into like almost like a lavender in the middle and then a rose in the inner part of the lid. Yeah, that was one thing that I found out about the palette when I was playing with it on my hand, is like how these colors shift and how they change as you layer them on top of each other, you know? I'm gonna play with it a little bit more, and I'm thinking of adding a Miron mixing solution to the glitters to see if it changes anything. I'm not gonna put it on the compact because I know it'll probably destroy it, and I think what I'll do is I'll just scrape it off and play with it that way. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed part 7. I had a blast creating this look. It came out a lot better than I thought, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, ring the bell button so you know when I have a new video, and like and share the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.